Hi guys, I have here an unboxing of the newest perfume. So I'm really excited because I've got a lot of freebies in here. And yeah, let's check it out. Oh, look at that beautiful packaging. Okay, so maybe you guess now what's the newest perfume. This is from Carolina Herrera. Yeah. Very pretty packaging. Okay, let's check it out, guys. So many previews on this. Ta-da! Ooh. Of course, this one. This is the receipt. And then we have here. Ooh, because you deserve it, Catherine. Yes, I deserve this. My own money. Okay, so this is what's inside. So we've got 9 quantities here. But I only bought the first one. 80 ml, and then we got all 8 freebies. Okay. Look at that, guys. La Bomba. Okay. This is 80 ml bottle. So if you want a lot of freebies, like I got 8 here, you have to buy the big one. If you buy the 50 ml, is it 50? Yeah. You won't get the bag, this bag, because this is only for 150 above. A bag and this 10 ml spray. So you get this and the bag if you spend 120 and up. So if it's only 30 ml, you will only get 2 freebies and 1 mini. And 50 ml, you will get a La Bomba tester and of course the 2 samples and this and the mini. And if 80 ml, you'll get these 8 freebies and this mini. That's why, you know, I was just planning to get the smallest one because I don't want a big one. But yeah, when I saw that I will get a lot of freebies for the big one, then yeah. And as you know, I collect miniatures, so I really have to get the 80 ml. So I'll have this cutie here, and let's have a look on it now. Look at that. Look at that, the cutest little butterfly. So that's the back. Okay, so I think this is just a dab on perfume. Okay. So yeah, this is the mini. We'll have a look at that again later together with the big one. Okay, the bag, the freebie bag is this. Oh, it's pretty. So like that. Toiletry bag. Pretty baby. Okay, so yeah. There's no Carolina name on this one. But yeah. Okay, let's see. And this one, like that. So ay, oh dear. Well, it's not nice toiletry bag. So it's a nice toiletry bag anyway. Like that. So it's like that, guys. Oh there. Okay. All right. We have that bag there. And then you'll get 3 samples. So I got this 3 different Good Girl, Blush, Very Good Girl, and Glam. Okay. Very Good Girl, Glam, and Good Girl Blush. I'm gonna give this to my sister. And then the mini, because 3 samples and 1 mini. So this one, this is a Good Girl. I'll give this to my sister because I already got like 6 of this mini, so I don't need this one. This will go to my sister. Okay, what I'm excited about is the bag and these 3 little ones. Right, look at this. This is Blush Elixir. I don't have this, so yeah, it's nice to have a travel spray. This is a 10 ml travel spray. Okay, lovely. Right, and then this one, as I've said, any of the sizes, they've got this for free if they still have in stock. So this arrived the other day, Wednesday. Today is Friday. So Wednesday it arrived, but I'm only unboxing it today, Friday, because only today I have time to do this video. So this is the La Bomba. Lovely. Okay, the main star, La Bomba. Today is June 20. So I received this June 18, 2025. Soon as I saw this on Facebook, I ordered it straight away and it arrived the next day. So it's a next day delivery. Look guys, I can smell it now. Oh my god. This is it. Look, so stunning, stunning bottle. Okay, so that's the cup with the name Carolina Herrera. Okay, that's the detail of the bottle. And it says there on the bottom, made in Spain, London. Haha. Right, the moment of truth. Wait, the cup is pretty. It's a pink, beautiful, like a gemstone. Yeah, but it's not heavy, so yeah, get a weight on it, but yeah. And guys, so this is the nozzle. Of course, the H. See there, CH. Right, we spray it, guys. Oh, it's nice spray. Oh, I love it. I love it. There's a similar smell on one of my perfume. Which one is that? I've got too many. I don't know which one now. But something similar. I don't know. But yeah, I love it. I love it. I can smell the vanilla. And I'm not sure the dragon fruit smell, but I think that's what I can smell. The pataya. Yeah. Oh, it's really nice. Oopsie. It says here, a fruity burst of exotic pitaya. That's the dragon fruit. Rich floral notes of cherry, peony, and red frangipani. What's that? With a radiant infusion of solar vanilla. Yeah, the vanilla, I can definitely smell it. And then, yeah, it's fruity floral scent. Lovely. It's like creamy floral fruity vanilla. It's not too strong on the vanilla, but you can definitely say it's a vanilla perfume. But you can also smell floral fruity. Lovely. I love it, guys. But my husband doesn't like this La Bombe. Okay, let's see. So this is the mini and the biggie. Mommy and baby. So this one doesn't have Carolina Herrera name there. And this is a dab on. Oh yeah, I haven't showed you yet. I haven't opened it yet, what it looks like. Yeah. So that's the size difference of the two. Oh my god, it smells so nice, guys. You have to buy and try. Okay, let's see the dab on. So you can see. Yeah, so the dab on is like that. You dab it on your wrist, on the back of your ears, like that. Lovely. Lovely, lovely. So nice, nice. Yeah, so that's it, guys. It's really nice. I love it. I love it. And with 8 freebies, oh my god. Worth it, worth it.